In this video, I'm going to tell you what the hash num error is and how to fix it here in Google Sheets. So we have 3 instances on where we can encounter this error right here. We have the first one where there will be an invalid math operation. So for my example right here, we've encountered the error because I tried to get the square root of this negative value right here. So in the error message, it will tell you that the function square root parameter 1 value is negative. It should be positive or 0. So there's your fix. Now for advanced math, you can actually get the square root of a negative value. But if you're trying to use the square root function, you will always encounter this error right here. So we can fix this by turning this into a positive value, like so. Or if we turn it into a 0. And there we have it. So that's the first instance. Let's go to the second one. For the second one, we have this error where the value that it's trying to display is just far too large for Google Sheet to handle. So what I did here is to have the value right here to the power of this cell right here. If I double click on this, this is our formula. It has displayed some values for these two. But for the third one, when I tried and dragged down that formula, it gives us an error saying that the numeric value is greater than this value and cannot be displayed properly. So there's actually no way around this. This will be just a reminder message from Google Sheets telling you that it cannot handle this value right here. And for our last instance, we have a hash num error right here that will tell you that the value that you're trying to get is actually out of range. For this example, what I did here is I used the large function to give me the box office revenue based on this ranking right here. Now it has given me the first ranking and the second ranking, but for the 600th rank, it has given me an error because my dataset only goes down to row number 509. So the ranking that I'm trying to ask from this formula doesn't actually exist. That's why it's giving me this error, the num error, where the function large parameter 2 value 600 is out of range. And so to fix that, you'll just have to replace your ranking, which will be within the range of your data. So let's put that in 508, and there you have it. So those are 3 instances where you can encounter the hash num error and how you can go around it here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.